Hi, my name's Tom. I just got done riding the Blizzard Quattro 8.0 CA. Really cool ski from Blizzard for that kind of aspiring intermediate up through an advanced skier who's looking for something that's going to be on trail performance. Thing goes up into a turn really easy. The steering on it's almost intuitive. You just kind of look and it goes. Definitely prefers that kind of controlled medium radius turn the entire way down the hill. If you work through it, you can get some snappier fall line turns out of it too, though. But just a really mellow ride. It's not a ski that's going to blow you away, but if you're looking for a predictable, stable on-trail package, it's a very good choice.